both of us, this Asha, that's me, Naina. We all used to work together. We were all working in the Flipkart studios, and stylists and photographers and makeup artists. It was a great, creative, fun team. And Khaba has always been one of those people when you think about those cheerful, joyful, always having that big smile on the face, big heart, happy,
very fun to be around.
Yes,
Enjoying
and warm and funny person to be around with.
My name is Gilbert Zosang Liana. I came from Mizoram for one of my best friend, Khaba's wedding.
close to everybody. He's
Yes.
a very nice, friendly person, and we enjoyed his company very much.
Yes, he would cook us meals a lot of time, call all of us to his place, and that's just him. Like, you know, he's this friendly person.
Khaba is a different, a very unique guy. He's my one of my best friend. We met in 2014. Since then, we are like a brother. We're close, like a family. We share everything, and I'm very happy and proud of him today as he get married.
Hi, I'm so excited that you are getting married. I'm not a winter person, but I'm right here for you. I wish you all the best for your married life.
Finally, my friend Mr. Khaba is getting married. I'm very happy about him. For him, I mean. Actually, I met him on my birthday in 2018. He has a great personality, and I have noticed that he carries a positive vibe whenever he goes. He just creates a positive vibe.
Hi Khaba, you must be remember us, Ankit, me and Lamba. We met in 2011 in Yemen, and we spent a lot of moment together. You must be remember our McLeodganj trip where we spent lovely time with all the 6 people, and Lamba birthday celebration at your DLF2 home, and lots of memory.
We always cherish those moments, which we spent during our McLeodganj trip. And I must say, Khaba has a beautiful heart. He's a very good photographer as well. So yeah.
So especially I met Khaba on our McLeodganj trip.
Yeah.
So that's the first time, and I found him as a very humble person. So and we wish you all the best for your marriage.
Insisting me to come here, like you have to come, otherwise our friendship is khatam. Something like that. So I have to come here. I knew I have to come here. So I'm excited.
dear. I'm from Kohima and I came for Khaba and Linda's wedding. I'm so excited, I'm so happy, I'm so glad for them. Khaba is like a brother to me, you know, and we call it brothers and sisters from another mother. You rock, keep rocking, bro.
Linda is shy, very pretty, very nice, very calm, and bigger than Khaba.
Khaba, according to my view, he's the best brother, best son, and I'm hoping that he'll be the best husband.
ꯈꯥꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯥꯏꯅꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯅ ꯆꯥꯏꯜꯗꯍꯨꯗ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥ ꯂꯨꯍꯣꯡꯈꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦꯀꯣ ꯆꯥꯏꯜꯗꯍꯨꯗ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕꯁꯦꯀꯣ
joyful married life, and I wish all the luck to you.
Have a wonderful, wonderful life and love each other, give each other lots and lots of love, and be happy always.
Hena nungai ba hena sakot ba masan pa puk tana hena mana to ko thamu khudi mak tamai pa pu yu haina aina so hi mahunda thami zari do aina service bizari all the best.
Linda and Khaba, wish you both the best, and I'm hoping that you will have a bright future ahead. Aduga yamna nasano su hazana semba ngamba yam successful oiba parents amasu oyo haina ina misto.
Pigi jalan pana Keisam Khaba masuk mau pi Keisam Linda di pi sila mo gi bong ba sila nungai ai pana sa masuk dharana la pana English ina pensinu sanga koi masin mano koi English ina leibu urasno haidana aini sorgi mafamda thawni jari
isa jinjel luba loire hujikti do masa masu pokten no pano pi pokten nungai ai pana pamboy saya Khaba dinabi sorda hitched.
Sinagili hena Khaba ki kushi da ju hena ma to do hena mai papa hena yau da hena su hena yau da hena chang ko pa azama pa na mo hena motti na hena kushi usang hena na do hena mai papa kushi na ni sa ki sto
Linda ka Khaba da yam successful ba and every life ki thing na kaduba or khudi mo to na mo thing na ngamba mai pa na wa pan na nga ga sapungam ba mo or sa no nai.
I'm wishing both Khaba and Linda a very happy married life. Khaba gi luhongbay da magta yam aroi na ay ngasi mag Imphal da thungmani mai luhongbay yam special oi ba gi one of the most special friend ni Khaba luhonga matung da su ma gi adventurous life still continue to I'm wishing him all the best in his life.